For all the amazing ideas about health and beauty, please subscribe to Mom's Quick Solutions and hit that bell icon. Hello new mommies, welcome back to Mom's Quick Solutions. Hope you all are doing well. So today video is about proper diet chart plan for all new mommies if you are breastfeeding or not. It's very important to give a proper diet to yourself post pregnancy because there are lots of hormone disbalance that happens to our body. Our body become very weak, and plus we have to take care of our baby 24/7, and whatever we are eating, it directly goes to our baby through our breastfeed. And how many of us knows that breastfeeding is the best way to lose weight while you are breastfeeding, and that have helped me most. If you are breastfeeding more, you are burning more calories and more fats. So we are talking about proper diet chart. So here are do's and don'ts. So let's start with the do's first. Dry fruits. Dry fruits are most important habit that you can add on your healthy diet chart. Some 3 to 4 dates or almonds for overnight and eat them on morning. Almond habits in the morning helps in the formation of strong and healthy bones. It's also rich in calcium and helps in reducing the risks of hypertension on pregnancy and after pregnancy too. Post pregnancy, lots of mummies goes through acidity and gas because we are giving those big gap between each meal. So it's very important to take a small amount of meal every 2 hours, and 70% of our milk is made of water, so we have to take at least 8 to 10 glasses of water. Try to indulge yourself in dairy products like milk, cheese, butter, paneer. All these are very helpful for your proper diet. You should take a proper high protein diet like pulse, green vegetables and fruits which are rich in vitamin C like kiwi, guava, orange, like that, and at least have 2 to 3 serves a day. Vitamin fruits like kiwi, guava, orange also contain fiber, so it also helps in your proper diet routine. And for all new mummies who have done C-section or have done stitches, we go through constipation, so it's very important to take high fiber liquid diet foods and drinks lots of water. So it's helping in our digestion. We already talked about do's, and it's also important to talk about don'ts. So never take 2 protein at once, like having rice, dal and fish. These fish and dal are high in protein, so try to take 1 protein once because it will be hard for our body to digest. For proper diet, if you are a smoker or drunker, you have to leave it aside. And it's very important not to smoke and drink while you are breastfeeding and losing weight. See, I'm not saying leave it, but just try to reduce it by its time. Avoid taking medicine as much as possible. Try to go with home remedies unless it's very serious because it's directly going to our baby. Avoid strong flavored food like ginger, garlic, etc. These are all do's and don'ts. So for weight loss, what we have to do is first give detox water a try. I have already done video on that, you can have a check. Take some handful of mint leaves, cucumber and lemon in chilled water. Keep it for 24 hours and your detox water is ready. It's so simple to make it, and it helps in losing weight plus hydrating your body whole day. Try to take 3 glasses a day. It helps amazingly. Make some changes on diet. Try to take a high fiber and a high protein diet, but don't ever mix 2 protein at once like I have already said, and try to eat dry fruits. Take as much vegetables, salads, fruits, all you can, and drink a lots of water. And most important thing is play with your baby. That's what I did. Play with your baby as much as you can. Run, take them to the park and walk, and you gonna lose that weight. So this is all the things you can do to lose weight post pregnancy in a healthy way. It helps in a good milk supply and also helps to keep you strong and healthy. And next thing I want to say, this only helps to lose weight. So after being mummy, our skin become a bit loose here and there, our belly become loose. So for that you should do toning exercise. That's the most important thing that you can do to your body, toning your bodies. Give yourself 30 to 45 minutes at beginning. As you progress, you will have a more motivation, you will do more things, believe me. So here is my 1 week diet routine for breastfeeding plus non-breastfeeding moms. Never skip early morning breakfast like lukewarm water with honey, detox water if you are not breastfeeding. If you breastfeeding, you can skip, or coconut water. Overnight soaked almonds are the best for early morning breakfast. Try to include South Indian foods in your healthy diet. It helps amazingly for proper diet plus weight loss. Avoid having sugar or sugar contained foods. Avoid carbs and carbs contained food at night. Try to take dinner as light as possible and try to take 3 hours earlier than your bedtime, and just before bedtime take warm milk with turmeric, or you can just take a warm milk if you are breastfeeding mom. This is just 1 week diet chart. If you are looking for 2 to 3 weeks diet chart, please like and subscribe and follow my Facebook page Mom's Quick Solutions. You can inbox me there, send me the screenshot of like and subscribe, then I will inbox you the proper 2 to 3 week diet chart directly to you. You can also ask me any questions regarding your doubts and all, so I can give you a best answer. For that I will try my best. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Please hit that like button. It will motivate me to do more videos for all new mummies there and share my experience. If you want to follow me on Instagram, please follow on Maruko Kiara, link in the description. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mom's Quick Solution. Hope this video will be useful, and until my next video, lots of love and thanks for watching.